testing what weapon it takes to destroy the biggest U.S. aircraft carrier in War Thunder. Weapon tested. A battleship armed with 8 380mm cannons and 14 152mm cannons. Really powerful, but powerful enough? 8 armor-piercing shells went right through the aircraft carrier, unalive about 500 sailors and caused devastating damage to the aircraft carrier. But the damage wasn't severe enough to sink it to the bottom of the ocean, and we are forced to fire once again. And after another devastating strike, another 400 sailors were unalive, but the carrier just won't fall apart, and that forced us to fire again. And after 24 380mm shells, it's still standing and just won't go down.